Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of how to guide. In this video we're going to take a look at how to switch accounts on Amazon app. If you have multiple accounts of Amazon, you do not need to log out of your current one to log into your second account. You can easily switch between accounts within the Amazon app. So let me show you how it's done. Open up your Amazon app and then tap on the three lines on the bottom right. From here tap on the settings option. And here you'll have an option of switch accounts. Now instead of logging out, you can just tap on the switch account option. Now if you already have added in accounts, you can see all of them right here. But if you haven't yet, you can just tap on add account and log into your second account. And this way the account that you logged into will appear right here, and you can easily tap on it and switch between multiple accounts. So that's how easily you can switch accounts on Amazon app. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.